Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a itinerary design with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is go to the home page here and then just search for itinerary here, and after you search for itinerary you'll be able to see many templates here. I'll just go for restaurants. So let's just select this free one here and then just click here on customize template, and after that you will be able to customize this template according to your taste. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.